Hey there, students. Today I'm diving into Chapter 12 of our Marriage and Family Sociology course, How Money Shapes Marital Quality. This chapter is packed with insights that are super relevant to all of us, so let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the connection between work, money, and marital quality. It might seem obvious, but the way couples handle their finances can make or break their relationship. When both partners are on the same page about money, it leads to fewer arguments and a stronger bond. But when there's a lack of communication or financial mismanagement, it can create stress and tension. So, making sound economic decisions isn't just about having more cash. It's about building a healthier relationship. Now, think about the modern American family. They're not just a social unit, they're an economic powerhouse. Families drive the economy by making purchases, paying taxes, and saving for the future. But with this power comes responsibility. Many families face challenges like managing debt, handling credit, and resisting the constant pull of advertising. Advertisers are always trying to get us to spend more, but it's crucial to stay mindful of our financial goals. So how do we navigate these challenges? Enter budgeting, saving, and investing. A well thought out budget is like a roadmap for your financial journey. It helps you see where your money is going and ensures you're putting enough aside for savings and investments. Savings act as a safety net for emergencies, while investments help grow your wealth over time. Both are essential for long-term financial stability, but it doesn't stop there. We also need to prepare for economic fluctuations like inflation and recession. Inflation means the cost of living goes up, so your money doesn't stretch as far as it used to. Meanwhile, a recession can lead to job loss and reduced income. By having an emergency fund and diversifying your investments, you can weather these financial storms more effectively. In summary, Chapter 12 highlights the critical role money plays in marital quality and family stability. By making informed economic decisions, managing debt and credit wisely, and preparing for financial ups and downs, we can create not only a strong family unit, but also a thriving relationship. So take these lessons to heart and start applying them in your own lives. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Happy studying, everyone.